Welcome back, fellas of TechSpress. Today I'm going to be showing you a very easy way how to get started with restoring a few elements only with Gemini. So, do you have old photos, faded, scratched photos, family memories that you wanted to bring back to your life? So today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Google Gemini's powerful AI to automatically repair and even colorize old photographers. That we have the old photographs using nothing but a simple text prompt. So now the first step is to getting your old photo digitalized. So you will get the best results if you scan your photo at a high resolution, at least 300 dpi, to capture as much original detail as possible. When you have this information, let's say when you have all the information about your photo that you would like to, in this case, to recover, it might be appearing something like this. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to select my specific image, and here, for example, is information about my image. It's a little small, but still I'm going to try to recover as much as I can possibly can. So once you have the digital file, you're going to be ready to jump into Gemini. So want to upload your prompt. So here I open my web browser, go for gemini.google.com. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. Now into the text box, I click into the upload button and upload the file, where I can drop my file, which is directly in here. So this looks like a paper clip, and you upload your damaged photo. Now the magic of Gemini is the prompt. You need to be clear, really clear about what you want to be fixed. A good basic prompt, let's say for example, is restore. Always start with restore this old photograph. So if you add more information, for example, let's say that I want to remove all scratches, stains, and fading, for example, you can enter, for example, more information about enhance, let's say, the clarity and the sharpness, something easy but a little bit, let's say, less complex for Gemini. You chose to choose the 2.5 Pro and go for submit. You send the prompt and wait a few seconds while the Gemini processes the images. This is the part which you wanted to review and refine the restoration. So here's the restored images. You should see a huge difference because the scratches are gone, the faded colors and contrast has been restored. And what if your photo was black and white? In this case, it's not black and white, it looks like a more sepia element. But basically what you can do, let's say I'm going to try to add my files once more into through of course my downloads. You can fix that too. You can click the sepia or the black and white color. You can right below the first result simply add a new prompt. Let's say, okay, now colorize the restored images with realistic nature colors, keeping the original vintage styles. Let's just wait and see what the Gemini has to do with this specific element. There we go. Here's my restored images. So you can see this actually looks really well. I think that the details actually work really fine. So we can try out something else to make this a little bit more important. For example, the color. Let's say now colorize this restored image with realistic natural colors, maybe keeping the original vintage style. So the most important thing and the key here is to try to be descriptive, try to explain as much as you can possibly can. Now for experience, I can tell you that usually the first prompt actually works and the second prompt doesn't make a really great work sometimes. But still, this one brings us a really great capture to visually how it actually looks. Check out the actual look of my actual image, of what it was before and what it is now. So let's try to open here we can see that we have more information about this restored image. You can see the actual hair moves a little bit to the right. You can see that the range and the beauty of this actual image actually doesn't really work. Still looks like an artificial intelligence, but I think that it does really great work so far. So if you are not perfectly happy, you can always refine it. Try a prompt like increase the detail in the eye, increase and make the background colors slightly warmer, something like that. So when you finish with this process, you can always click into the option that says download, which appear here, the option that says download full size. So you want to have the perfect result, hover over the image, and you are now ready to go. So that is all that it takes. Gemini AI is a fantastic tool for preserving your family history. If this tutorial helped you guys, you bring your old memories back to life, please give us the video a like and subscribe for more AI and tech tips. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all this being said, we can see you guys the next time.